welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey girlies. So I'm here with Nyla. She's in her Minnie Mouse bed next to me. She's watching Mickey. But today we're gonna be doing a little try-on haul. This is not sponsored by any of the brands that I'm showing you. I got all this stuff with my own coin. I found the plug for tall girl pants, so I'm gonna show you guys that today. Some of these items I showed on my TikTok because I did like a little haul. Most of them I didn't, but some of them I did, but not all of you guys follow me on TikTok, so hi! So I'm gonna go ahead and show them again. It's the first time I bought myself some clothes in 5 months. I have not been comfortable in my body enough to go and try something on. And I know a lot of you guys were telling me like, you wear the clothes don't wear you. So just find something, you know, that fits properly, But I just could not do that. Like I haven't been comfortable enough to go to the store and I don't know, just get discouraged if it didn't look the way I wanted it to. Obviously, like you try stuff on in the try-on room and they're malicious as fuck and they literally put mirrors in there that are designed to make you look thinner and taller. So when you get home and you're like, why is this piece not hitting like it did in the store? That's why. I just didn't want to deal with the anxiety attack that was probably gonna come from that. So it's been about, like I said, 5 months. But in the last month, I've really been getting my shit together. Y'all, I am so proud of myself. I work out once or twice a day. The second workout is usually just like some light yoga. Y'all, like the abs are coming in, like you see, I'm eating healthier. I'm up, bitch, I'm up. So let that be the quick motivation for you if you have been in a hole or in a very dark place, because trust me, your girl has been in very, very, dark places. My postpartum literally almost took my fucking life, okay? So like things got really, really bad. So look at me, it gets better. I know we've said that so many times, like it gets better, eventually it gets better. Damn, it took a couple years. I'm 25, but you know what? It took long enough, we're here. So let's go ahead and try some of this clothes on. I'm so excited. So I don't like filming my hauls how I used to, where I would just like show you guys everything and put like a quick ass little clip of me like, girl, ain't nobody want to see that. We're gonna actually go through all the bags and try everything on together and hopefully it all fits properly. Obviously, I'm not about to flash on my puka. So when I'm trying on like the bottoms, I ain't gonna show that. You'll see everything else. Okay, so we're gonna start with Forever 21 because that is the OG store. I don't really go in there to buy like tops or anything that much anymore. I focus on their jeans and shoes, which is weird because it was complete opposite for me before. But Forever 21 actually has some like bomb ass shoes and they're always half off. So the first thing that I got were these jeans. I saw these and I was like, okay, those are kind of funky. I don't even know how to explain these. You just gotta look at them. So we're gonna go ahead and try these on. These were, oh! Girl, why didn't you stop me? Why didn't your daddy stop me? These were $50. These better fit. These better fit. I'll take my ass right back to Fashion Show Mall, returned. If I buy something and it's like on clearance or it's like under like $15, I won't return it. I'll just like give it to one of my friends. But, oh girl, 50 bucks. 50 bucks is 50 bucks. Everybody cross your fingers that they fit how they should, okay? Let's go ahead and close her up. Ah! Ah! They fit! I feel like some people are gonna think these are ugly just because of like the way it is, but that's what makes it different. Like, please don't look at my toes, but like, oh my gosh. These are so cute. Do they make my butt look cute? Okay, the next thing that I got from Forever 21. Oh, I actually did get a top. Oh, girl! I got some high shoes. Okay, she's excited. Okay, so the next thing that I got was a jean mini skirt. I have not worn one of these since I was probably like 9 or 10 years old. So I'm really hoping that this fits right. This was 19 bucks, but she will also get returned. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Sorry if my knees are ashy, I just took a shower and I did not put lotion on clearly. Next, I got a top. Even the cashier was like, oh my god, it's so cute. It says, love yourself. Come on, Justin Bieber quotes. Oh my god, my nails. Just don't even say anything. Just don't even say anything. So I think I was expecting it to be a little bit more cropped, but I mean, I could obviously like do something like that. My chichas are not gonna be in here swooping around like that. She will be wearing a bra. I used to be comfortable enough to go out in public without bras and just wear like t-shirts and tank tops, but men are weird and they make me uncomfortable and now I can't do that anymore. But yeah, this is cute and this was like, I think $11. Next, let me show you guys the stuff that I got from Target. Oh my god, look at this bag! Oh my god, I was so excited when I got it. Okay, I have other stuff in here. I need to empty this. Look at this jean bag and it has a really cute floral pattern going around it. How much was this? This was $25. Target is stepping it the fuck up. Why is this low-key cute? Somebody might think it's not, but this is giving 2002. And then with some like white chunky platform sandals. Ah! Baby, if you're not a doll, just say that, but don't interfere in my doll activities. Next, I got some shorts. These are high-rise Bermuda shorts. We're gonna be going to Hawaii soon for a little vacay. So I wanted to get some shorts, and these have a cool like sideways angled clasp. So let's go ahead and try these on. And they're so freaking comfortable. Oh my gosh, I love them. Beach Barbie. Okay, next let's move on to this top that I got. Bitch, look at this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bitch, does this not give Hannah Montana? I don't know, I just feel like my boobs are just gonna do their own thing in this, but let's try her on. I'm scared to turn around. Oh. Do I keep her or do I return her? Am I giving linebacker? Let me know. Next, I got this long sleeve top. I already ripped the tag off of it because I tried it on and it fits. I can honestly say this like Y2K style that's coming back is the most comfortable I have felt in a trend. No, like this clothes just, I think it's because I grew up with this stuff. I am 25, so the whole like early 2000s look was something I looked up to when I was like 6, 7 years old. Like, oh my God, like seeing the girls and you know, their mini skirts, their flip phones and like the all hot pink velour suit. I loved that as a little girl. But obviously I didn't have the money or the age to be dressing like that. Honestly, the biggest thing that has been helping me lately is feeding the inner child and letting her have what she wants and, you know, making her happy. I'm buying things that, you know, people would probably think I'd never put on or never wear. I'm trying a style that's not my own. It's something I've always wanted to, you know, try out and it feels so comfortable for some reason. I actually found this store through the comments on a TikTok because right now this like Balenciaga bag is super popular. It's like a, once again, old early 2000s Y2K style kind of bag. And I looked it up and I'm sorry, but I don't spend $2,000 on purses anymore when I can go get a dupe for like 60 bucks to 100 and then spend all that other money on clothes and experiences. So I watched 1,000 TikToks showing that exact bag, waiting for someone in the comments to come up with a dupe, and this girl did, and she said go on Ego shoes. And I found it! I also have it in the color white, but that one's been my everyday bag, so it's already downstairs. But these were only $65 compared to spending $2,000. Strap is adjustable. Ego shoes, sponsor me please, because their stuff is so cute. You guys, they literally have tall girl friendly pants. But I got some Julia Fox leather pants. Literally, they cut the same way that hers do. And they're like flare at the bottom. And then I also got some regular blue ones. I still have room to wear if I want to wear boots or heels. Girl, I'm not putting heels on. Why did I even say that? I would still have, you know, a little bit of room so it could still be kind of baggy at the bottom. When I first got these and tried them on, I screamed. Literally ran around the house and screamed. Yes, dramatic. When I tell you I've been trying to find leather pants for years. So much money wasted on Pretty Little Thing and misguided. But yeah, you guys can see how freaking long these are. I wore them with some like thick leather boots that are like this chunky and they were still dragging on the floor. Okay, on to the last bag, Urban Outfitters. Also, do you guys like this kind of filming style? Because I honestly like prefer this more because it feels like I'm actually like on FaceTime with you guys. So first thing I got is this Death Row Records t-shirt. The only reason I got it honestly is because the red lettering is actual like glitter, so it shimmers when you're outside. Probably wear this with like some black boots and like a red lip, you know. Next t-shirt I got, by the way, like if you ever ask me where'd you get that t-shirt, Vanessa, I get all, like 99% of my t-shirts come from Urban Outfitters. So that also means you could probably find them on AliExpress, but I don't have time for that. I'm not waiting 3 months. Next I got this skeleton t-shirt. It says, "You make me feel alive." Oh, you guys do that for me. Oh yes, I love this shirt. It fits so good too. Like, I don't know what material this is, but it just fits like a certain looseness to it compared to like the last one where it's kind of like stiffer. They're both a size large, but this one definitely feels a lot more comfy. I don't take a lot of Instagram photos, but I actually like get ready and like put cute outfits together. Why do I not actually post? Because I don't know, bitch was lazy and insecure. Next, this is the other shirt that I got. It says "Love Blossoms from Within." What is with all these skeleton things? These are literally the exact same color. When the girl was ringing me up, she's like, did you mean to get both of these? Yes, they're different. And these shirts were, ooh, I feel sorry for Canadians. 45 Canadian. See, it's like 30 bucks for me, but 45 Canadian. Y'all are, I feel bad for y'all. Like, it's really bad out there, y'all. My best friend sent me this like Instagram thing yesterday, and it was like, how much it costs to live in Toronto? And it was like townhome, condo, like semi-attached, like it was going through like the list of like how much it cost. Why was a townhome almost $1 million? A townhome? And I gotta hear my neighbors, I ain't paying $1 million for that. I'm surprised all y'all just don't move to America. Actually, I'm not surprised. Why would you want to come here? Okay, I'm so excited for these pants. Please, please fit the way I want them to. These are the skater baggies. I got them in a 32. I'm a 31, but they didn't have my size and I was being a little desperate. What do you guys think? Are they cute? Oh my god, they're so big. Ooh, ass on, flat, flat. These were, these were $80. My total was only $200 and I got all this stuff. Did she not scan these? I don't think she scanned my pants. The last thing I got, this is so freaking cute. So this girl was walking through the store with it and I was eyeballing it and she put it down, and the second she put it down, I ran and I grabbed it. It is a black velour juicy mini dress with a cross back. This was $80 and I know you're probably like, bruh, it's so expensive. Like, you could have definitely got that on AliExpress, but girl, I wanted to say juicy, not juicy. AliExpress be playing, okay? It's gonna show up with an E at the end. Are you dumb? Do you see your mom? Do you see your mother? I'm your mom. Nyla better make one of those TikToks of me one day. It's like, oh, you guys are raised by Susie? I was raised by Nessa. Nyla, you better hype me when I'm in my 40s. Because if you don't hype me, or I ain't paying for your college, period. Okay, just kidding. Okay, before I take this off, I'm sorry, I gotta show my friends. I don't know if you guys use like the widgets on your phone where you could add like a little like photo or whatever. There's something called Lock It where you can add your friends, and throughout the day you guys can add photos to it. So it's kind of like a live Instagram story, but on your like actual phone. I can't see it because it's so bright, but like Caden just posted a picture with like all his friends at work. And now I'm gonna post that picture. I've always wanted to be that bitch that wore dresses that was like right under their butt. Like, you guys know how like the girls used to wear their dresses in like the 60s and 70s? Like, they were short. Like, the girls had the short dresses with the boots. I love this so much. I am so happy. I wish I could wear this today, but it's cold as hell. I was already wearing these. I'm not gonna put them on and try them again. I got this from Ego Shoes as well. They were just some like oversized baby pink sweatpants, and they're actually really comfortable. They fit good too. They go all the way down. But that's it for today's video. I hope I showed you guys some new cute clothes to go and pick up. I just got all of this recently. I live in Vegas, so all of this is pretty much at the Fashion Show Mall. I left literally all my inventory for the Oh Sweetie shop in Chicago, and Anthony's grandpa and his dad just brought all of it over. They literally drove under U-Haul all of my stuff over across the country, and it got here yesterday, so the shop should be opening in about a week. I want to take new pictures and kind of like revamp the website a little bit. So my boutique is gonna be opening really soon. I'm gonna have a lot of like Y2K kind of style stuff. That's like the vibe I'm gonna go with the store. If y'all want some body chains, some anklets, some chokers, some chunky rings, I got y'all, and my store is really affordable. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys know when that is open again. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys all in my next one. Love you so much. Have a good day. Sending nothing but love and light your way. And I hope you guys have a great week.